Hello, my name is Caitlin Austin, and I'm doing prompt 1 for this exam video. I decided to adapt Shel Silverstein's The Missing Piece poem to tell the story of an amino acid being used in translation. Once upon a time, in a cell far away, a little amino acid slowly drifted astray. She watched as all the other AAs paired and built. She whined, "Everyone seems to have a T, so where's mine?" So here we can see in the background, a ribosome is actively translating mRNA to proteins, and that tRNA is facilitating those. Until one fateful day, she spotted a special code. "I cannot believe it," she chimed. She floated on over to link with the 3'. The reason the amino acid had to wait for her special code is because each tRNA can only bond to one amino acid. She followed the tRNA all the way to a ribosome. She thought to herself, "Is this my new home?" With eyes open wide, she was careful to align right next to the other AAs of her kind. In this scene, there's a ribosome labeled with A, P, and E. These stand for the amino acid site where the tRNA lands with an anticodon and the amino acid the mRNA coded for, the peptidyl site where the bonds between amino acids are built, and the exit site where the tRNA detaches. The tRNA's ability to correctly link and translate the mRNA codons and free amino acids is the reason Francis Crick termed its function the adapter hypothesis. They were all bonded quickly and stayed where they were put, and off to work they went with new adventures afoot. The newest little protein, packed tight with little A's, performed its many tasks for the rest of its days. This page references all the many essential tasks proteins have, for example, acting as catalyst. Now let's imagine if our little amino acid had been unable to find her tRNA because of an alteration. It would prevent the rest of the story from happening. There would be no translation, no essential protein created, which possibly could lead to huge problems throughout the rest of the cell. On the other hand, if the little amino acid had been able to bond with the tRNA, but the tRNA had not correctly corresponded to the mRNA, the protein would be misshaped and likely unable to function effectively. As always, this information comes from Halwick and Jones' Genetics 311 Principles of Genetics lecture slides from NC State University, and Genetics, a Conceptual Approach by Benjamin A. Pierce. The pictures come from the links which can be found in this description.